How to appear offline on Instagram. First, you have to launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram. While it is a great platform to remain in touch with friends and family, there are occasions when you might not want to be seen online by everyone. Instagram is a well known social media program that has become a household brand among Generation Z. You can wish to seem offline on Instagram for a variety of reasons, including taking a break from the service, wanting to remain hidden from specific followers, or just choosing not to receive alerts. Regardless of whatever reason it is, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram in this video. All you have to do is to tap the three lines at the top right corner, and then you have to look for settings. Go to privacy, and that option is under notifications. Click this one. And then once you click this, you can see below interactions an option that says activity status. All you have to do is to click this one. And we have here two options. Now, in order for you to appear offline on Instagram, all you have to do is to turn this one off. Either one of them, but it's okay also if it's turned off the two of this options here. So as you can see, if you turn this one off, this will let everyone know that you are currently inactive on Instagram. That means you are currently offline on Instagram. And that's how easy it is to appear offline on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.